Hi there! Ready to take a closer look at our amazing add-on airport charges? With this awesome solution, you can quickly find and calculate landing fees, passenger charges, and taxes for any airport or country in the world in our sales module. Let's check out how it works. To use the airport charges, please follow these simple steps. Go to the Sales, Request Quotes, and select a quote. Then, add the landings fee item to the quote. You will see the airport charges logo. The total value will be the sum of the origin and destination charges. Click on the arrow next to the landing fee to get the breakdown per airport. And voila, you're done! And please note, if the integration is not active, the airport charges logo by the landings fee item will still show up but will be disabled. Please make sure to activate the airport charges integration for your system. To do so, please head to the admin panel, then Add-ons, and select the Services section. Here in Airport Charges, you'll find all the details. You need to get the airport charges up and running. Then simply hit the activation button and you're ready to go.
It's simple as always, isn't it? To see our other educational materials, please visit our LinkedIn and YouTube accounts. Bye!